IELTS and MathScoreBooster. MathScoreBooster. Here we are going to start our Bluebook. What is it? Bluebook series. And in this Bluebook series, you will learn the solution of the questions. Okay. So, as per the solution, if we discuss about, so here we have now the question. It says that which of the following system of linear equation has no solution? For the no solution, lines must be parallel. What is it? Parallel. So here in this case, when m is equal, like here both have 6 magnitude, for the slope of the line is 6, it means they are parallel and they have different y-intercept. So once they have different y-intercept, mean they will never intersect. So same slope, number 1, different intercept 3 and 9, and along with this they will never intersect. Once they will never intersect, mean no solution. So A is the answer. Answer is A, but let us explain the rest also to understand the thing. If we consider B, how can we consider? For B, one horizontal line, this will be horizontal line, and the other is vertical line. So these lines, sloping line, so these lines will intersect at least one place. So once they intersect at one place, so they will have solution. So this isn't the answer. Now here the next one, if we check C, different slopes. M is different. What is it? It's 14 and 10. Once they have 14 and different slope, always means they intersect at once. So different slopes means like slopes I am talking about, not the y-intercept. So different slopes mean they will intersect at one place, so have one solution. And for the D, if we talk about for the D, once we are talking about the D, vertical line and a horizontal line. There is a vertical and a horizontal line. Once there is a vertical and a horizontal line, so they intersect at a point. They will intersect at a point 3 and 10. Once they will intersect at a point and 3 and 10 means they have one solution. So as per the question, if we see, only A option gives us no solution. As per the next question, if you see, it says a line in XY plane has a slope of 9. Okay, once it has a slope of 9, okay, so passes through a point, this one, 0 and 5. The equation is this and defines P and R are constant. What is the value of P? So as per this equation, it is similar to mx plus b. And if we rewrite, this can be equals to px plus r. And p is the slope of the line. M is slope of the line equal to p, and this slope of the line is 9. So the answer will be 9. That's it. No need to discuss about these points. As per this question, 3x minus 8 equals 7. And we need this one. So let's look at that. From here we will find the value of x. 3x will be equal to 7 plus 8 equal x equal to this, and x value 15/3. So x values how much? It values 5. Now if we place this here, 5, 3 into 5 plus 8, which means 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23. So D is the answer for this. The next question, it says value of x and value of f of x. F of x means y. If we make it x1 and this we make it x2, y1, y2, so here we can find for m. M is constant, so we can find it easily. The formula is m equal to y2 minus y1, the easiest way. X2 minus x1, and the y2 is 247 minus 82, and here it will x2 will be for 25 minus 10. So it is on the whole 165 over 15, and if we divide this number with this, then we have here 11. So m will be 11, or m can be equal to 11 over 1, which we are saying this will be the answer. In this equations, system of equations, okay, so x, y. X we have already 5, and for y we have y equals 5 minus 8, so it will be equal to y is equal to minus 3. So it will be minus 3, which is 5 and minus 3 be the answer. Here it says the line K is defined by y is equal to this, J is perpendicular. So once the lines are perpendicular, it means their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. So here if the slope of the line is 3, so the negative reciprocal will be minus 1 over 3. So it means that A is the answer. So once the lines are perpendicular to each other, it means their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. So here 3 is the slope of the line, and negative it will come, and reciprocal mean it will flip. So 3 over 1 will be 1 over 3. And such kind of easy questions where we have x1, y1, x2, y2, and we want the slope of the line. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here y2 is 24 minus y1 is 6, and then we have here x2 is 15 minus 4. So here we have 18 over, what do we have here? 18 over 11. So it will be the slope of the line, and once they are passing through these 2 points.